G'day, here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. It's a little bit of a mixed batch here. There's a bit of Koroite, a bit of matrix and a couple of face type stones. First little piece, this beautiful little blue. It's a natural split off a larger rock somewhere. I'm inclined to just leave these and just perhaps leave it natural. It's only small but very bright. This piece just got a little stone over on the edge there. Starting to dry out a bit, sorry. Little stone over on the corner. Basically you can see the orange reds come through there on the screen. Softer that material. This piece, bit of Koroite material, bit of fire over through here in a few spots, olive colour coming up through there. What you'll end up with that, it's hard to tell until you grind it down. Bit of fun. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.